yes, but you do have to have enough income to be able to do the cure. Because when you are in a Chapter 13 that involves a multi-year debt repayment plan, the idea is by the end of the plan, you have cured any defaults on secured debts being debts that are secured by a tangible asset. That is, if you don't make the payments, the creditor can repossess the asset. You can cure them, but you absolutely cannot miss a single post-petition payment. Those have to be made on time, just like clockwork, each month. And you have to make your Chapter 13 plan payments to the Chapter 13 trustee. And those payments have to be large enough that they satisfy the various statutory requirements for a Chapter 13. And one of those requirements will be that you're going to cure that pre-petition arrearage. So yes, you can spread the paying off of that pre-petition arrearage over the 5 years of the plan. But as I mentioned in the answer to a question a couple of questions ago, I always ask, what's changed? Do you have enough income now that you're ready to file that Chapter 13 to be able to make these payments and cure the default? Because if you haven't been able to make the payments thus far, bankruptcy is not going to give you additional income. It'll give you a way to manage your debts, but you're not going to get a raise because you've just filed a bankruptcy petition. So there really has to have been some material change in your income, or maybe your expenses have suddenly dropped because some obligation that you had is no longer there, to free up money to be able to cure this pre-petition arrearage. But if you have had that material change of circumstances, that positive material change of circumstances, then yes, we can use the Chapter 13 to catch up on a pre-petition car loan arrearage. And we can do that on a pre-petition mortgage loan arrearage as well. Indeed, any secured debt. If you have an arrearage, we can use Chapter 13 to cure that pre-petition arrearage.